Pretty little bang thing, hotter than a hot tool. Me I say you hot like them, I say you hot too. Yeah, me see the curves, them pretty with the contour. Man, I say you first class, so you know I got you. Hottest in the island, the Caribbean too. Can I get a feature? Yeah, I am a fan too. Soon as you reach.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another banger YouTube video. You know it's a good Tony and Martin right here. Bible with Tony right here. Now before getting into this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the post notification bell. I'm known as the legacy queen do a video, but Tony not ready for respond yet. Make sure go and have our VM. So anyways, let's move from that. Anyways, as I was saying, guys, so I want to do a quick favor for me. Run go over to Kitty Comedy Out and tell her say a vibe with Tony. Send on like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on post notification bell so you can become notified whenever the TT gang drop a new banger video. So guys, as you can see in the title and description, today's video will be Grwm with me. I know I look mad. But that's all gonna change. Okay guys. Now maybe you want like somebody do a voiceover for me, but that will be in the next Grwm with me, which will be done next week, Friday evening. Peace. So right now I'm about to put on the face scrub and get back to you. So guys, today here's the face scrub. Can see it? Okay. And guys, I'm also gonna do a challenge. The challenge is, oh yes, I'm going to wash my hair. The challenge is doing my hair with jam alone. I like to start telling me, you know. Okay, let's put on the face scrub. Damn. I'ma bring you with me. I'ma brush my teeth. Yeah. I just done drink some porridge. And I got beer, but I said, "Mom, babe, I'm gonna do this. Let's just do the Grwm." That's it. Bad. So guys, we soon start that about the banger prank them. Soon. Hey guys. Sun, it's already hot now. Yes. Watch girl. Don't like it. Anyways, anywho, I'ma brush my teeth. Boy, what a cold. Alright, nasty, the eye nasty. So I'll never set up that camera, yeah, good.
Channel, please and thanks. Leave a like, subscribe, share and comment there. Please, it will benefit me.
Apple brush your tongue. Do you want me to take a picture? My tongue like, brush it, you see it? Hey guys, I'm back with the just done fresh body. Oh, that dirty sheet, you know. Guys, I'm back with it again. Guys, must like, share, subscribe to the post notification bell. Yes guys, and please don't go over to Kitty Comedy Out. Guys, she's a great YouTuber. Do that for me. I'ma put on my clothes and come back, guys. Okay guys, I'll be combing my hair right about no. Well, my comb on my hair, we'll get back to you guys. Yeah. Damn, Papa, you are very. Guys, you know it's your challenge time. No, is it?
Real hot girl shit. Lay on my stomach, toot it up, do the cry, baby. Look back, hold it open, now he annihilated. Running like a bitch when he hit this pussy. Damn, he probably wanna wear my hoodie. Choking, spanking, look at me, thank me. If I give it to another nigga, he'll hate me. Shit, slurp, give him that work. Feel too fast for me, not a nigga hurt. Deeper, I need a reaper. Thought I was in trouble, how you paying them cheeks up. Keep me a freak, who the flavor of the week. If I make up the rules, then I don't get a sheet. Jordan, Tommy, Timothy, Daniel, Mike, Lil Jonathan, bringing Sarah. Bitch trying to brag about taking my man. Ha, I needed me a nigga all win. Don't fuck me like that, fuck me like this. Yeah. His friends and his dad hate me. I broke his little heart, he a cry baby. If I ain't let him hit the pussy by now, then that nigga lame if he still waiting. I ain't even saved your number. No, so no, I can't reply to no text. I make him cry about the pussy. Probably why my shit so wet. Never boss up. Ever eat up on me, sing creep up on me, that a pass out. You never look me, never class out. I think I your two piece with your ass out. Many pon me, girl, many pon many. Pretty girl with a body, anybody, you make it a pretty type of my team. Here some cocky first time, don't have the size street, you know what I mean. He say, hey, pretty girl, what you doing out there? Say she hurting a love, and now she don't care. Pretty girl with a body, anybody, so me take her off for the scene. You're right, be a ganja man round her, everybody I know drama. She come round and see for herself, so we do whatever the fuck we wanna. Me say you're not ready, she say nah, sir. See the liquor just a kick, you know what I touch her. I pick with that tick, cause she a starcher. I make she bounce panic, I can rock it up. Baby, you a dancer, you look so innocent, who would you think you want her? She want the egg planter, she grab it up and push it down in her dancer. You're pretty and you're elegant, none of fuck yourself, but you're ever relevant. I'll not try, nothing, no enhance. I'll when you cover it, it evident. Baby, man cheat, but woman cheat. We fuck around, we trust the wrong people. Man a wicked, then woman a evil. Call us straight, that's straight to what we evil. Pretty girl, no say keep it typical. Give me all of your love, me give you reciprocal. Funny phone, me give you the lyrical. Put you in a person, give you the physical. Pretty girl with a body, anybody, you make it a pretty type of my team. Here some cocky first time, don't have the size street.